What if I told you that the next 180 days could unlock a version of you that even you haven't met yet? Not a fantasy, not some motivational fluff, but a challenge, a real transformation. 180 days, that's all. Now pause, ask yourself, when was the last time you poured all your energy into one thing? You? No distractions, no validation seeking, no likes, no scrolling, no noise, just raw, focused self-evolution. This isn't about disappearing from the world, it's about reappearing as someone the world has never seen before. Let's get real. We live in a world built on overstimulation. Ping, buzz, scroll, repeat. We're connected to everyone and everything, except ourselves. And that's the trap. You're not stuck because you're weak. You're stuck because your attention is being hijacked 24/7. Every notification, every feed is pulling you away from the life you were born to live. So what if, for the next 6 months, you chose silence, chose discomfort, chose growth over gossip, creation over consumption? This is the blueprint. Step 1. Cut the noise, delete the apps, mute the chaos. You don't need to announce it, just disappear from the algorithm. Let people wonder, because while they scroll, you build. Step 2. Lock in your mission, not a vague wish, a crystal clear goal. Start that business, build that body, heal that mind. Whatever it is, write it down, obsess over it, make it your oxygen. Step 3. Design your days, morning routine, ruthless, evening discipline, non-negotiable. Every minute should scream intention. You're not surviving anymore, you're sculpting your future. And yes, there will be resistance. Days when your old self begs for comfort. But that's when the breakthrough is closest. Pain is a passport. Endurance is the visa. Look at the greats. They didn't just grind, they isolated themselves, went underground, built in silence. And when they returned, the world had no choice but to notice. You want that? Earn it. 6 months of obsessive focus. No excuses, no shortcuts, just discipline, discomfort, and unstoppable drive. And when you reemerge, you'll walk differently, speak differently, think, act, and win differently. Because while they were distracted, you were evolving. So here's the truth. You don't need more time, you need more focus. You don't need more motivation, you need a decision. And you don't need permission, you just need to start. Disappear now, so you can dominate later. Your future self is already watching, make them proud.